Well, Mrs. Cooper, you're here in Bahia, and this is our room.
This is the Bay of Islands.
Overlooking the Bay of Islands. So what do you think of this place?
I love it. This is where Curry Cliffs Golf Course is near.
Yeah?
You can go fishing, hang gliding, bungee jumping,
And
skydiving.
just a quick question, how soon are you going to go bungee jumping? Just a question.
Maybe my next lifetime. I did parasailing though.
That's the Māori name for it, and that translates to Island of the Kōkako bird. So this was a small native bird that used to live out here.
So what do you think, Mrs. Cooper?
I feel like I'm on the top of the rock.
You are on the top of the rock.
It's pretty spectacular up here. Take a little panoramic view. It's so beautiful.
It's a good thing it's not Alcatraz.